Hi there, my name is Lucas Sargent and I'm a Senior Customer Specialist here with Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids. All right, today I want to go over the new 2022 Nissan Rogue Sport. This is going to be an interesting vehicle for customers that are interested in the SUV, but kind of want to hang on to that compact agility of a sedan. The Rogue Sport is going to offer all-wheel drive, which is great, which is what you start creeping into those SUV segments. But you still get a 2-liter 4-cylinder, which is going to give you 27 miles per gallon combined. So still reaping the benefit of that good fuel efficiency, but still kind of getting more space and that all-wheel drive traction, which is good for these Midwestern winters. So we'll go ahead and start here up at the front. As you can see, we got the headlight structure. You do have available LED headlights, and then we do have available cameras up front. You can get an intelligent around view monitor, which is going to be like a bird's eye view of the whole vehicle. And then obviously we have our beloved backup camera, which we'll get to here in just a moment. We'll take you around to the side. Going up into the SV and the SL, you can get remote start with keyless entry. The S is what we have here in front of us today. We're just going to have the blade key today, but if you are interested in that, that definitely is an option. Go ahead and open up the back doors here. As you can see on the S, we do have a nice cloth interior, plenty of space in the front and the back. And in the back, you actually have a 60-40 rear split on our seat backs. So if you're not hauling any people around, you can definitely drop that down and get some more storage for things that you're lugging around in the back. So I'll go ahead and close the door here and show you what that looks like when we open up the hatch. That's one of the nice things about the Rogue Sport is more of a hatchback body style than it is a true SUV or sedan. So when I open that up, you can see plenty of space. We can also drop down that bigger portion on our left-hand side if we have something like a desk or a table or whatever the case may be for enhanced cargo capacity. And then when I close it up here, you can see on the bottom right, we do have all-wheel drive, as I mentioned. Underneath the Nissan logo there, we're gonna have a backup camera, and you'll notice those 4 circles on the bottom of our rear bumper, which is gonna be our rear sonar system, which is gonna be responsible for beeping when we back up. That way we don't bump into any large stationary objects and cause any damage to the rear bumper. So that's pretty much about it for the exterior. We'll go ahead and hop into the interior and show you what's going on the inside. All right, so taking a peek at the interior here, we'll go and start at the center console. This one, you do have your climate control settings at the bottom. And as I was mentioning earlier, if you go up into the SV or the SL, you can get the dual temperature control, as well as that remote start I mentioned, which is gonna come with intelligent climate control, so it knows to adjust the temperature in the cabin before you even get in the vehicle. Above that, we do have our touchscreen infotainment center. It's gonna come with Sirius XM satellite radio, obviously your AM, FM radio, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, and then Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And as I mentioned, we do have our backup camera on here, which I'll show you here in a moment. It does come with our predictive course line, so as I turn the wheel, you can see where the vehicle is headed to guide you into the parking space more safely. And in those higher trim levels with that intelligent around view monitor, that will be split in half to show you the bird's eye view as well, to give you that better spatial awareness. Moving over into our dash here, we do have our two speedometers, and then in the middle we do have the advanced drive assist display, which is going to be a digital presentation of all the vehicle information, such as tire pressures, fuel economy, our safety features that we can toggle on and off, and other things just like fuel range and time, temperature, and things of that nature. Headlight stock on the left, windshield wiper on the right. Vehicle does come with high beam assist, so if your lights are in auto and we turn our brights on, if it's too bright outside or it registers another vehicle coming towards you, it will automatically turn those high beams off and then turn them back on when the lighting conditions allow you to do so. A couple other features in the interior that aren't here on the S. We do have heated seats available, heated steering wheel, sunroof, Bose sound system, navigation, and a whole lot of other really good stuff. Again, my name is Lucas Sargent. This was the 2022 Nissan Rogue Sport. If you have any questions about the vehicle or availability in our inventory, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at walser.com. Thank you so much for watching.